Morning, Penny girl. Good morning. Here's camp in the daytime. Got some Mountain House biscuits and gravy, scrambled eggs. My mama always makes it. If you follow us on Instagram, you've seen this table before. It's made by a company called Leafted, L-E-A-F-T-E-D. And this thing is rad. It just hangs from the gutters, like the drip rails, and holds more weight than I probably should put on there. But what's up, Sizzling Bacon? How you doing? How you doing, baby? Penny was an absolute trooper yesterday. And she slept hard. I bet. Got eye boogers. It's not bad. Girl, you're filthy. She freaking climbed over Lauren and climbed over me to like find a comfy spot last night. Old fetcher. I had to just like shove her off of me. That's camping with Money Penny. What is big, yeah. And just like that, camp's cleaned up and hitting the road. These things cold starts are fantastic.
Snap.
Mm-mm.
Little Money Penny, something to the forest.
Yeah, Goblin Valley's rad. Very Capitol Reef feeling. I mean, they're neighbors, so it makes sense. Yeah, these are cool. Yeah, they're starting to break away. That's sad. Like, I bet there was one to the left. Down there where it kind of sloughed off. Still cool. Well, everything in Helper's closed because it's Sunday, so we're having peanut butter and honey sandwiches, but we cannot forget chicken and... You already know what it is. Finishing off the trip with a little dub-dub. In and out.